fishies. Wobble, wobble, wobble. So I thought I'd do the next video about Chinese New Year or Spring Festival, because it's obviously a huge thing here, but I've never actually experienced it in China, because usually at Spring Festival we get time off, so we leave. So this year we're going to be here for it, but obviously COVID's impacted that. Things are going to be different this year, so I won't be able to see the full celebrations, but it's just like Christmas. Everyone decorates the house. You have a tree, but an orange tree, and people give each other orange trees. Oranges on the tree signify like wealth. There's red packets that people put money in. They call it lucky money or hong baos, and they're given to people. Usually it's married people giving it to other people, or children receiving the lucky money. There's fireworks, of course, and like firecrackers, and you hear them, they're so loud. And this year is the year of the ox. People usually get a massive migration because people work in the cities, and obviously China's huge, but there's a lot of people staying put this year. So yeah, already there's flags on all lampposts all the way down every street. There's Chinese lanterns everywhere. It looks really cool. I also forgot, of course, lion dancing. Yes, a lion, not a dragon. So lion dancing is obviously a massive one that everyone knows of, but it'll be fun to experience, I think. Let's go and wander around and see some Chinese New Year stuff. Spring Festival stuff. Spring Festival. Thing that I really enjoy about China is the symmetry of everything. Not this van here, new decorations going, but it's perfectly in line with when we turn around and go this side. Oxy, oxy, oxy. It's the 8th of February today, and the temperature is definitely too hot. So I'm quite clearly underdressed for the weather. There's been like 25 degrees every day for the last 2 weeks. Today, didn't bother checking the weather. I was like, yeah, it's probably going to be the same. It's still not cold, but it's definitely raining. It hasn't rained for months here. This is the local supermarket, and all of the stuff here is all for Chinese New Year. All snacks. Just goes on and on. Oh, bless you. These are the hong baos that contain all the money. All of the red packets of the different styles. So I found out about this market. It's just down the road from us. It's really interesting to see just how, I don't know if it's the same for us or Christmas and stuff, but there's just so much stuff. I don't know what sets them apart. So this stall here is the same as the stall down there and the same as the stall next to it. I just wonder what sets them apart from one another. Pineapples. The orange trees that I was on about that are everywhere. More orange trees. I wonder if they sell them all. I have no idea if they managed to get rid of all of them. There's so many. Oh, there's even more. It just goes on forever. So it's very wet and grey compared to the other day. That was a pretty cool market, but that's just like a 5-minute walk from where I live. All the supermarkets are full like that too. Not so much the orange trees, but all the decorations. There's so much stuff, there's so much food. Chinese New Year is on Friday, the 12th, but it always changes. It's all dependent on like the lunar calendar and stuff. So I found out that it's the biggest usage of fireworks anywhere on the planet, unsurprisingly. It's Tuesday today, and already over the last like 2 nights there's been constant fireworks going on. You can really see the resemblance between Christmas and Chinese New Year in terms of like decorations and stuff, and you can feel like there's like a happy atmosphere around. It's quite nice actually to be here. As always, like and subscribe. I'm an ox. Moo.